If I were a food blogger, I would share with you how we make tea on the lake. The water for drinking and for the tea and coffee we take from the lake. So it's the fire which helps to make the water for drinking. The place where we are resting for one day is on the island, and it includes the sauna. And you see, the sauna, it's hot inside, and you may warm yourself and your clothes. Then the clothes, it is getting dry. Then the place, we call it kitchen, with the fire and the food. And the camping place, there are many small camping houses. All the catamarans are fixed with the strobe, you see, because sometimes it's getting windy. Yesterday when we arrived here, it was so windy and even raining. And the kitchen place from the bank, the view on it, beautiful place on the beautiful island in Karelia region. Karelia is famous, first of all, for lakes and for the rivers. A lot of rivers and lakes in Karelia, northern water region, with berries and berries.
Кать, давай в другую сторону. Не надо, чтобы